Mechanics of Music. Today we are learning some Taylor Swift. We're on a major Taylor Swift kick here at Mechanics of Music. I am teaching it to everyone that walks through the door. I'm a major Swiftie. I sit before you here today playing the guitar because of Taylor Swift. So we owe this whole channel to her. Thank you, Taylor. We love your songs. Today we're learning Opalite, and this is one of the catchiest songs off her new album, The Life of a Showgirl. The first thing I need you guys to do is follow the link in the description and go download the chart for this song. Opalite. You've got the chords, you've got the strumming pattern, you have everything on there. You can put it on your tablet, you can put it on your phone, you can bring it with you everywhere you want, and it's just there and it's perfect and all the words. So grab that and then you can play along with me. At the end of this video, we'll sing the whole song and we'll play it together. Now, let's talk about the chords. It's in the key of G, so we need a G chord. I like to do my G chord always with these two fingers down here. And then we go to E minor chord. If you want, you can leave your index finger on and then just, you have to kind of scoot it back a bit to make room for your middle finger to go right underneath. But I usually do my E minor chord with my second and third finger. It's totally up to you. It sounds the same. Then you can go to A minor chord. Now a reason to do my E minor with second and third, because when I go to A minor, I just pop that little shape down and I add my index finger. I like to do as minimal moving as I can between my chords. But if you're doing first and second finger for E minor, then you can leave your middle finger on, tuck your ring finger under, and now you're onto an A minor chord. So there's so many different options to do all these chords, guys. Find what feels good to you and do it that way. If your fingers don't like doing this other way, don't do it that way. This is all about having fun, playing cool songs, learning the guitar, learning something new. So figure out what feels best for you. Then we're on the D chord after that, and I leave my ring finger on so I can go back to G. This is the chord progression for the choruses and the bridge. Now the only other chord we need is a C major 7 chord. I like to do this kind of like a stretchy C shape, and then I just lift my index finger off. You can do it with your second and third finger. You could also do it with your first and second finger. It sounds the exact same. It's up to you. Now what makes this song cool is, well, one of the many things that makes this song cool is in the verses we're going to slide this shape up by 2 frets. So instead of being on the 2nd and 3rd fret, I'm going to slide it up to the 4th and 5th fret, and now I'm going to get this other chord, kind of like a, we'll call it a D chord-ish shape. And it's this other really dreamy sound. That's going to lead us into the strumming pattern. So what we're going to do is actually 2 strumming patterns squished together. We're going to do strumming pattern number 10 and strumming pattern number 14 right after it. So strumming pattern 10 is down, 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 up, down, up. And then as soon as we're done that, we're going to do pattern 14, which is up, down, up, down, up. By the way, if you guys want to download our free strumming pattern and chord change chart, follow the link in the description. It's a super great strumming pattern practice page, and I talk about it all the time. So this is pattern 10 and 14. So if I put those 2 patterns together, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Now that's what we'll do for the verses and the pre-chorus. Exactly that. You're staying on C major 7 for the whole time, and then that strumming pattern. So that's the first option. If you want to just do that, it's going to sound really nice. Here's a little cool sprinkle that you guys can add in if you want, and that's sliding up this chord to that D chord shape we talked about. And you're going to slide it up on beat 2 and when I say slide, I actually mean keep pressing the chord, and you're actually going to kind of hear that note slide up and that note slide up. Very nice. But you also have all these open strings that are just kind of like floating away. Let's hear what it's going to sound like. up strum. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I think that sounds really pretty and really cool. So I'm not gonna do it every single time, and to be honest, I play around with the timing a little bit because sometimes it's tricky to do it and sing and play. But you guys, that's what this channel is all about. Have fun, play the songs you love. It's not about doing things exactly and perfectly, so I think it's gonna sound really good. I think we have all the parts to sing this awesome song. The only other thing you might wanna do is warm up your voice because she hits a few pretty high notes, but that's what we love about it. So let's start on our C major 7 chord. Make sure you guys download the chord chart to play along, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Couldn't understand it, why you felt alone. You were in it for real. She was in her phone, and we didn't pose. Don't we try to love, 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 and give it all we've got. Finally left the table. What a simple thought. Starving till you're not. All of the foes and all of the friends. Messed up before, mess up again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. Move on. And that's when I told you it's alright. You dancing through the lightning strike. Sleepless in that onyx night. And now the sky is opalite. Oh, 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 my love. Never met no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine. But now the sky is opalite. Oh, 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 this is just a storm inside a teacup. But shelter here with me, love. Thunder like a drum, life will beat you up, 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 up. This is just a temporary speed bump. Billion with your freedom, that I can bring you love, 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 love. Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You dancing through the lightning strike. Sleepless in that onyx night. But now the sky is opalite. Oh, 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 my love. Never met no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine. But now the sky is opalite. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. So much fun, you guys. Thanks for strumming along and playing along. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like the channel, subscribe, share it with all your other Swiftie friends, and keep strumming, keep smiling. We'll see you guys in the next video.